What if I told you that right now, as you watch this, there is a human-made object traveling beyond our solar system over 24 billion kilometers away? That object is Voyager 1, and its story is one of the greatest achievements in human history. Voyager 1 is a space probe launched by NASA on September 5, 1977. It was built to do one thing: explore the outer planets of our solar system and then keep going, deeper into space than anything ever had before. It launched from Cape Canaveral, Florida, in 1977, just a year after the United States celebrated its bicentennial. The mission was bold. Use Jupiter and Saturn's gravity as a slingshot to fling the probe into the outer solar system and beyond. In March 1979, Voyager 1 reached Jupiter. It sent back jaw-dropping images, detailed views of Jupiter's swirling storms, the Great Red Spot up close, and its moons like we had never seen them before. Io, Europa, Ganymede. Suddenly these weren't just dots in a telescope. They were worlds. Jupiter alone was a treasure trove. Voyager 1 discovered active volcanoes on Io, the first time we had ever seen volcanic activity on another world beyond Earth. It found thin rings around Jupiter that nobody even knew existed. Every image it sent back rewrote the textbooks. Then came Saturn. In November 1980, Voyager 1 swept past the ring giant and delivered stunning close-up images of Saturn's rings, revealing they were made of countless individual particles of ice and rock. It also made a close pass of Titan, Saturn's largest moon, discovering it had a thick orange atmosphere. After Saturn, Voyager 1 had completed its planetary mission. But NASA didn't turn it off. They kept it flying. Year after year, decade after decade, Voyager 1 pushed outward, past the orbit of Uranus, past Neptune, past Pluto, heading toward the very edge of our solar system. In 1990, NASA asked Voyager 1 to turn its camera back toward home one last time. What it captured became one of the most famous photographs in human history: the pale blue dot. Earth. Our entire world. Everyone who ever lived. Reduced to a tiny pale blue speck in the vastness of space. Astronomer Carl Sagan, who championed the pale blue dot photograph, wrote these words: "Look again at that dot. That's here. That's home. That's us." It was a moment that put all of human history into perspective, and Voyager 1 made it possible. In August 2012, Voyager 1 crossed the heliopause, the boundary where the sun's solar wind stops and interstellar space begins. It became the first human-made object to reach interstellar space. A historic moment 35 years in the making. Today, Voyager 1 is more than 24 billion kilometers from Earth. To put that in perspective, light, the fastest thing in the universe, takes over 22 hours to travel from Voyager 1 back to us. When we send it a signal, we wait over 22 hours just for the reply. And here is what is truly remarkable: Voyager 1 is still talking to us. Its transmitter puts out roughly 23 watts of power, about as much as a refrigerator light bulb. Yet that tiny signal travels 24 billion kilometers and NASA's Deep Space Network antennas can still pick it up. Voyager 1 also carries something extraordinary: the golden record. It is a gold-plated copper disc containing sounds and images from Earth, music, languages from 55 cultures, greetings from world leaders, and the sounds of nature. A message in a bottle cast into the cosmic ocean, in case anyone out there ever finds it. The golden record includes musical selections from cultures across the world: Bach, Beethoven, and even Chuck Berry. Greetings spoken in 55 different languages. And the sounds of Earth itself: thunder, ocean waves, birdsong, and laughter. It also contains 115 images of life on Earth: humans, cities, science, food, and nature. Diagrams of human biology. And a pulsar map that could theoretically help any intelligent civilization pinpoint exactly where in the galaxy Earth is located. Voyager 1 is powered by 3 radioisotope thermoelectric generators, RTGs, that convert heat from decaying plutonium-238 into electricity. When it launched, it had about 470 watts of power. Today, nearly 50 years later, it still generates roughly 240 watts, enough to run a few instruments. In late 2023, Voyager 1 started sending back garbled, unreadable data. Engineers at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory were alarmed. The probe was over 24 billion kilometers away. Any command sent to fix it took 22 hours to arrive and another 22 hours to get a response. That is a 44-hour round trip for every single attempt. NASA engineers spent months carefully diagnosing the problem. They discovered a single corrupted memory chip in the flight data system computer. The fix was remarkable. They worked around the corrupted chip by redistributing the affected code across different memory locations. And it worked. As of today, Voyager 1 is still operational. It is still sending scientific data back to Earth from interstellar space, measuring the density of interstellar plasma, detecting cosmic rays, and helping us understand what space is actually like beyond our solar system. All from a spacecraft that was built and launched nearly 50 years ago. Its ongoing scientific contributions fall into three major areas. First, measuring interstellar plasma density, helping us understand the medium between stars. Second, cosmic ray detection from outside the Sun's protective bubble. Third, heliosphere boundary data, defining exactly where our solar system ends. NASA estimates Voyager 1 will continue operating until around 2025 to 2030, when its power will finally drop too low to run any instruments. After that, it will drift silently through interstellar space, still carrying the golden record for billions of years. A quick note: Voyager 1 has a twin. Voyager 2 launched 16 days earlier in August 1977, but on a different trajectory. It visited all four outer planets: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. It also crossed into interstellar space in 2018, 6 years after Voyager 1. Together, they are humanity's two ambassadors to the stars. Voyager 1 matters because it proves what humans can accomplish when we dare to look beyond the horizon. A spacecraft launched in 1977 with less computing power than your phone is still operating, still exploring, still sending data from the edge of known space. It is proof that our curiosity has no boundary. Voyager 1 will outlast all of us. Long after the last human is gone, it will still be drifting through the galaxy, carrying our music, our voices, our greetings. A bottle cast into the cosmic ocean, carrying the best of what we are. The farthest voice humanity has ever sent into the universe. And it is still traveling.